Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install APK files on any Android. Simply go on Google, search your preferred application. For example, I am searching TikTok, then write APK, simply search it. Here APK websites are showing. I will prefer download APK files from up to down or softonic. I am selecting up to down. Simply scroll down, tap on get the latest version. Again scroll down, tap on download. Tap on download anyway, tap on details. As you can see, my APK file is downloading. It will take some time. As you can see, my APK file is installed. Simply tap on it, tap on install. My APK file is installed. Simply open it. So this is how you can install APK files on any Android. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel